Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you all a hands-on session on how you can create your own percentage table for any value of marks. It's going to be very simple and extremely useful if you are a teacher and you want to compute percentage score for the marks obtained by your students in a test or examination, and also if you're a research scholar, as well as if you are a master degree student and you are doing quantitative research for your dissertation. So I have learned it through my teacher, Dr. Amar sir, who is extremely versatile and creative educator. And in my description below I'm also going to leave some link of educational blog, so if you are from education background you can check that out. So this percentage table is extremely handy, and if you can create this, which I hope you will be able to after watching this video, so after that you don't have to manually calculate percentage of each and every marks obtained by your students, so it will definitely reduce your workload as well. So here you can see I have taken one examination, the total score of which was 70 marks. So I'm going to calculate my percentage table for score of to 70 marks. So here for that what I can do is, in the first cell you need to type 1. After typing 1, just drag this one till the total score. So my total score is 70 marks, so I'm going to drag it till 70. Similarly, if your total score is 50, you can drag it till 50, and if your total score is 80, you can drag till 80. So here you can see all the score is 1 here, but we don't need 1 here. So what you can do is we can format it. So here sometimes you will get the option here itself at the end, but in my case, in my Excel, it's here you can see field option here. So here I will just click field. After clicking field, just go to series here, click series, and then it's already taken here. Click here column. So since this is a column, it will be column. So after that, click OK. After that you can see here we have, it has been auto filled till 70. So any student who has taken the test will get a score ranging in between 1 to 70. So this will be the scores. So a student can get any score, so we are going to compute percentage for each and every score here. So next is, in the second column, just type total marks. So since my total marks is 70, I'm going to type it 70. So if your total marks is something else, then you can type that one. After that, in the third column, uh, we need to type 100, because when we compute percentage table, then we always multiply that with 100. So here you can see total score 70, or in your case it can be any number. So total score and 100 will remain the same for each and every score of the students. So say suppose these are the scores of the students, then 70, the total marks will remain the same, and 100 will also remain the same. So what you can do is you can individually drag the 70 and 100 till the end, but I'm going to do that together. So for that I'm going to select both, and then I'm going to drag it till 70. So you can drag it separately also if it's not handy for you to drag together. After that you can see this has been filled. So 70, the total marks will remain same for all the scores, and 100 will also remain the same for all the scores. So the next thing is, in the fourth column we are going to compute our percentage column. So select is equal to, after selecting is equal to, after typing is equal to, select column, first column. After selecting first column, write the divide sign. After writing divide sign, select column B. After selecting column B, type into. After typing into, select column C. So here you can see the formula for calculating percentage. This is marks obtained divided by total marks into 100. So here we have also done the same thing. This A means the first column, which is the marks obtained by the students, divided by B, that is B column here is the total marks. Here it's also the same, and then multiply by column C, that is the 100. So this is the 100 here. So now after that, go to enter. After doing enter, you can see the percentage has been here filled. So a person who has got 1 marks out of 70 will have the score a percentage of 1.42. So here we are going to do that for all the scores. So for that, just drag your cursor till the end, and it will be autofill. So here you can see the percentage has been autofill, but don't do anything now. you can see this percentage after the decimal point we have 4 to 5 decimal numbers. So we don't need that much, we will need only 2. So for that we are going to format it again. So just click, right click. After clicking right click, go to format cell. In the format cell, select number. After selecting number, you will be asked to write down a number after decimal. So we will need only 2 numbers after the decimal. So just go for 2 and then click OK. So here we have got our percentage table. So this the fourth column is the percentage table. So you can check it out if you have any doubt. So here I'm going to show you at least 2. So here, for example, the 14. This is the 14 here. So if a child has secured 14 marks out of 70 marks, then the percentage of the child will be 20. So here I'm going to show you by doing manually here in the calculator. So 14, that is marks obtained, divided by total marks, that is 70, into 100, which is 20. And here also you can see it's 20. So I will show one more for you to get some confidence and proof that this is right. And so say for example we will take 18. So for 18, marks obtained divided by total marks, that is 70, into 100. So here you can see 25.71 percentage. So in 18 we have 25.71 percentage. So this is right. So now what you can do is you can print this. So for that, just select everything. After selecting, open one Microsoft Word page and then paste. So here you can see this has been pasted here, and then now select this and go to bottom border. After going to border, select all border. So now you can see we have our table here. So since we don't need this 2 table, so we will just select this 2 table and then we will delete it by doing right click and then delete entire column. So here we have our scores and percentage. So for this, what you can do is you just insert one extra column at the top and type scores, and here percentage. Now you can see that your score has 2 pages. So for that, here you can do one thing. Just select this and then go to layout and then repeat header. So now we can see the header has been repeated so that there won't be any confusions of what these are. And since this page is entirely empty, so what you can do is just select this and then go to page layout and then go to column, and then you can select 2 row or 3 row. So here you can see you have got your percentage table. Now you can save it, or you can convert it into PDF or print it, or you can directly print like this also. So this is how you can calculate your percentage table. So I hope you will be able to compute your percentage table after watching this video. So do let me know in the comment section if it was helpful to you. So thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video. Take care.